Want to know your differences between the Talaria lineup? We got them all here. Let me tell you the difference. Okay. X3, X3 Pro, MX4, Sting, the base. There's another one, but this is the base. Your MX5 and your new Komoto. Let's go through some differences. Let's start with price. $4,800, $5,000, $5,800, $6,500, and $8,000. Now, why are those differences there? Let's go through. 60 volt, and they are a 3,000 watt, and the output is 6,000 peak. Those are for your threes. MX4, 4,000 watt. Oh shoot, what's the peak on this one? It's more. MX5, 5.5, so 5,500 watt motor, and it's a 13,400 peak output. Let's look at this big boy. We don't know what the wattage is. We should probably know that, but it doesn't matter because its output is 30,000
kilowatts. It's a beast.
60 volt, 40 amp hour battery, not removable. It is removable, but not easy. 60 volt, 45 amp hour battery, and the battery is easily removable. 72 volt, 45 amp hour removable battery. 96 volt, 45 amp hour battery, and it's removable. Top speed. Let's talk about top speed. This is an estimate because I won't ride these. So rumor has it, these ones, the X3, do about 90 kilometers an hour. No, 85, 80, 85. This one's gonna do about the same. The MX4, the MX5 is gonna be about 90, 95, and the Komoto stats say it does 105, but we do believe that this one will probably hit 110, 115. There's your top speeds. Suspension, let's talk about suspension. Listen, I don't know the details on this one, but this is still phenomenal suspension, but you can see that they get bigger. So the threes, all the suspension is adjustable, but it gets bigger, more durable, and beefier as you go up the lineup. Regenerative braking, they all have regenerative braking. You have to be under 90% battery, and so they have it on the screen. However, the MX5 and the Komoto have like a throttle type control of your regenerative braking, so that's kind of nice. So those are the differences, some basic differences between your whole lineup of the Talaria. They kick ass. If you're looking at a Sur-Ron or the Cowafin, this is your perfect in between. You don't need to spend the money on a Sur-Ron. You really don't, especially when you're looking at like the City or Ultra B or whatever. This is where it's at. These things fly out the door, and it's easy to see why. And yeah, grab them from Ride the Wind because we don't overcharge you. Price is the price. So yeah, and we do stuff like this. Who does all the differences? It's taken us a little while, but we had to get them all lined up for you so you could see. So yeah, thanks for watching.